The big political story we're tracking at noon: cricketer and TV host and politician Navjot Singh Sidhu formally joined the Congress today and addressed his first press conference from the party headquarters. The 53-year-old lashed out at the Akalis, blaming them for the poor law and order situation in Punjab. He, however, went soft on the BJP and said the party had chosen the alliance over him. Sidhu said he had many suggestions on how to eliminate the drug problem from the state, saying that strong laws, state policy and a drugs commission could sort out the issue. He added that drug menace is not a political issue but a state problem. Speaking about his decision to join the Congress, he said he was a born congressman and now this is a sort of a homecoming for him. He also said that he chose Punjab over the alliance. Navjot Singh Sidhu quit the BJP in September, after which his wife also joined the Congress party.
मेरी ये घर वापसी है, मैं वापस घर आ गया। दोस्तों, आई एम अ बॉर्न कांग्रेसमैन। आई एम अ बॉर्न कांग्रेसमैन। मेरा अस्तित्व पैदाइशी कांग्रेसी है। आई हैव जस्ट कम बैक टू माई रूट्स। मैं अपनी जड़ से वापस जुड़ गया हूं। कहां गया वो पंजाब जो जाना जाता था ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन के लिए, आज वो चिट्टे की वजह से जाना जाता है। नाम ही खो दोगे तो किधर जाओगे, और पहचान खो दोगे सिद्धू तो बिखर जाओगे। पंजाब हमारा गौरव है। अन्नदाता को भिखारी बना के खड़ा कर दिया, साख धूल में मिला दी। क्या इसके लिए लड़ना नहीं होगा? क्या किसी को हलाहल विष पीना नहीं होगा? क्या हर आदमी अपने बारे में ही सोचता रहेगा? हैरान हूं कि कोई नहीं बोला कि ड्रग्स इज अ रियलिटी। मुझे यह बताइए कि यह चिट्टा राजस्थान में क्यों नहीं बिकता? यह चिट्टा गुजरात में क्यों नहीं बिकता भाई? J&K में क्यों नहीं बिकता? बॉर्डर है ईरान के साथ, ईरान में क्यों नहीं बिकता? ये क्यों बिकता है सिर्फ पंजाब में? क्योंकि पंजाब में पॉलिटिशियन, पुलिस जो कुटपुतली बना दी गई है, और ड्रग पेडलर इनका नेक्सस है। इनका नेक्सस है, कोई माने या ना माने। सच कह गए हैं लोग दीवाने। सत्य यही है, और मैं आज सत्य बोलने आया हूं, अलख जगाने आया हूं। इंसाफ होगा। आवाज़े खलक नगाड़ा खुदा, जनता की आवाज में परमात्मा की आवाज है। दरबार वतन में जब एक दिन सब जाने वाले जाएंगे, कुछ अपनी कज़ा को पहुंचेंगे, कज़ा मौत है। कुछ अपनी कज़ा को पहुंचेंगे, कुछ अपनी सजा को पाएंगे। ऐ खाक नशीनों उठ बैठो, अब वक्त कहां आन पहुंचा है, जब बादल के तख्त गिराए जाएंगे और ताज उछाले जाएंगे। ये ऑक्सफोर्ड से पढ़ के आए हैं बादल साहब, छोटे बादल साहब, सुखबीर पाजी। कमानी ना पहिया, गाड़ी जोते मेरा सुखबीर भैया। तालीम का जोर इतना, तहजीब का शोर इतना, बरकत क्यों नहीं होती? तुम्हारी नीयत में खराबी है। धंधा करते हो तुम, धंधा। स्टेट को मार के धंधा करते हो, धंधा। मैं बताऊंगा पंजाब को, मैं बताऊंगा कहां कहां बेचा है तुमने पंजाब को। पंजाब के दुख के ऊपर तुमने सुख विलास बना लिए। मैं बताऊंगा, मैं खोलूंगा तुम्हारी पोल, पोतड़े खोल दूंगा तुम्हारे।
Sidhu is speaking to India Today's Rajdeep Sardesai. Let's cross live.
मैंने तुम्हें कहा अपॉर्चुनिज्म नहीं है, इट इज बेसिकली फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ पंजाब। मैं बाहर रह के पंजाब को संवार सकता हूं। जो मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी देगा, एक रोल देगा, मैंने राहुल जी को एक एजेंडा दिया है, और वो एजेंडा मैं 20 तारीख को डिक्लेयर करूंगा। सर आप आइए। मैं कह रहा हूं,
नहीं, मैं आपसे ये पूछ रहा हूं, मेरी 1 पॉइंट एजेंडा है बादल को निकालना है।
मेरी भी बात सुन लो ना। पिछले 10 साल, एक मिनट, नहीं ऐसा नहीं है। मेरा
आज का प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आपके पास चॉइस था, बीजेपी को चॉइस दिया।
अच्छा बोले जाओ, फिर बोले जाओ,
अलायंस या बादल,
बोले जाओ।
नहीं आप बताइए।
आपके इस खेल में नहीं आऊंगा मैं। सुनो,
बताइए।
मेरा एजेंडा ये है कि पंजाब के सर के ऊपर 2 लाख करोड़ रुपए का कर्जा है, वो कैसे चढ़ा? वो चढ़ा स्टेट के एक्सचेकर को मार के, बिजनेस से, पर्सनल मुनाफों से. सेल्फिश वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट have overridden the interest of the state.
What I'm
Yes, the Badals, absolutely.
So your battle is against the Badals?
No, my battle is against poor policies. My battle is against the policies which have looted Punjab. My battle is against the transport policy. My battle is against the policy which has actually taken Punjab to shambles.
But if Kejriwal had given you the deputy chief minister or chief minister,
he has offered it to me.
Then you would have been ready.
Not at all. Not at all.
He has offered it to you.
You said it. He has offered you. He has gone in public and said, "We are offering you this." His nominees.
Did he offer you the chief ministership?
Why would he? When I've not asked for anything, why would he? Hare yaar, had ho gayi.
So why did you then choose? I come back to it. Why did you? The AAP party has also taken on the Badals. उन्होंने drug mafia के खिलाफ उन्होंने पहले आवाज.
एक मिनट.
आपने कांग्रेस क्यों चुना?
एक मिनट. It is choice and not chance that determines your destiny. उसने अपनी चॉइस की, मैंने अपनी चॉइस की. क्या एतराज है? फैसला तुम नहीं करोगे राज भाई, मैं नहीं करूंगा, लोग करेंगे. आवाज़ खलक, नगाड़ा खुदा, जनता की आवाज में परमात्मा की आवाज, और जनता आपको भी और मुझे बताएगी.
और आप you accept Amrinder Singh's leadership? You accept Amrinder Singh?
Hold on. I accept anybody that the party high command tells me. I'm happy to work under anybody. Khatak.
Okay, one line, last line. Looking at the camera.
Khatam.
सिद्धू जी, लेपर लगा हुआ है.
You can't do this.
I don't have to leave.
Please sit down. You have to be very sit down.
All right, Navjot Singh Sidhu there speaking to India Today's Rajdeep Sardesai, saying that he's against the Badals but pro-Punjab. Navjot Singh Sidhu formally joined the Congress party this morning. He addressed a press conference from the party headquarters. He lashed out at the Badals, accusing them of nepotism and corruption, saying that they were trying to destroy the state. He, however, went soft on the BJP and said that the party had chosen the alliance with the Badals over him. Navjot Singh Sidhu also called his entry into the Congress a sort of a homecoming, said that he'd always been a congressman. Breaking news coming in. Sharp escalation in Punjab poll fight. Badal Senior lashes out at Navjot Singh Sidhu, calls him a political turncoat, claims Sidhu indulges in political deals. He also said that the people of Punjab know Sidhu well and will not be taken in by his smooth talk.
जो दल बदलू हैं, इनका जो सौदे करते हैं कि मुझे क्या दोगे, पब्लिक नहीं जानती इनको. इसलिए कोई बात नहीं है. प्रेस में आप लिख देते हैं ये हो गया, सिद्धू आ गया, फिर क्या. जो अपनी माँ पार्टी को छोड़ के आया है, जिसने उसको इज्जत दी, जिसमें उसने पॉलिटिक्स में लाया, उंगली पकड़ कर आगे लाया, उसको छोड़ के आया, इससे बुरी बात क्या है.
Right, that was Prakash Singh Badal accusing Navjot Singh Sidhu of being a political turncoat and trying to strike deals with the different political parties. He said that the people of Punjab will not be fooled by his smooth talk anymore. Navjot Singh Sidhu joined the Congress earlier this morning. He lashed out at the Badals, accusing them of corruption. Let's get a word from our Deputy Editor Atir Khan, who's with us live. Atir, what happens now? Navjot Singh Sidhu has joined the Congress party. There were talks about the reason why he wasn't able to strike a deal with the Aam Aadmi party is because he wasn't offered a good enough position. What kind of deal has the Congress struck with him?
भेज दिया आपने, बहुत सही टिप दिया, बहुत बढ़िया.
Well, it's very interesting, Simi, to see him today in a very aggressive mode in that press conference. And, though he did not take direct questions and evaded those questions in his, tongue-in-cheek and witty style. But clearly, it is a moral booster for the party. He will certainly, infuse more energy into the party. And now a party has a face which can reply to other political parties in their own language. Well, as far as the deal is concerned, he's still not opened his cards yet. He's been treading very cautiously. but at the same time, he's directly attacking the Badals. When we asked him about the BJP, he said, the parties are not bad. Some people could not be, good in the party. As far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, he did not say much. But he launched a direct attack at the Badals. He said that he's going to reveal a lot of things against them. He's going to tell, how the exchequer was, incurred a lot of loss due to government's misplaced policies. But his focus, his plank, it seems to me, is going to be the fight against drugs and, waiver of the debt of farmers.
Right.
So these things he's reiterated. But as
Right.
far as the deal is concerned, he said, he's come back home.
All right,
but
so
the deal,
details still
what
on
is the
clear.
deal?
Artists, stay on with us. We're also being joined by Zafar Islam of the BJP, who's with us on the phone line. Mr. Islam, you heard that speech by Navjot Singh Sidhu where he lashed out at the Akali Dal. He, however, went soft on your party. What's your reaction?
See, as far as Sidhuji is concerned, he has been with the party for several years. Party has given him platform. He has used party's platform. He has fought election. He has won. He has represented party in the parliament. He has been nominated in the Rajya Sabha. The party has given him everything what he deserved. And today, what is there for him to criticize about the party? A party which has left based on his own
But
convenience.
Mr. Islam, he did say that the BJP chose Karab Badals and the alliance with the Akali Dal over someone like him.
I mean, that's his discretion to choose which party to stay with. BJP definitely has no reason to believe what he said. But what is important for him for us to realize that he is no more with us. He has joined a principal opposition party, and he is speaking and he is exposing himself by making some statement which actually shows his double standard. And people
And
of
Mr. Islam,
Punjab
do you
will
think
take
that his entry into the Congress are going to hurt your prospects in the upcoming polls?
See, it doesn't matter because BJP has agenda and we have always fought as a party which works for the people, in place for the welfare of the people of the state, and is against our agenda is going to be development and welfare of the people of Punjab.
Yes,
So,
but Mr. Islam, Navjot Singh Sidhu also made a point saying there's no political will in the current government to act against major issues that are plaguing the state, including drug addiction, which is something that your party has so far not spoken about.
See, I think Mr. Sidhu, everyone must have realized and taken cognizance of his approach, that what he wanted, if he didn't get in one party, then he approached the other party. When he didn't get in the other
No,
party,
but
then
you're not addressing the issue that he's raised. He's saying there's a lack of political will to tackle problems that are plaguing the state. Do you agree with him?
No, certainly not. He's making a statement just to stay in limelight. The fact that he knows that he was negotiating for his own convenience and for his own interest, and since he didn't get that in BJP, then he is making this kind of statement. But the fact that people of Punjab knows what exactly he was up to and where he finally landed, and anybody who is joining Congress, the corruption Congress has done,
All
and
right.
how much you have to compromise with your own credentials to join Congress party, and that's what he's done. So people will not tolerate it. People will definitely give him a lesson when
All
he
right.
goes to the election.
All right, Mr. Zafar Islam, thanks so much for speaking to India Today. Let's once again listen into that speech made by Navjot Singh Sidhu when he joined the Congress party this morning.
इंसाफ होगा, आवाज़ खलक नगाड़ा खुदा, जनता की आवाज में परमात्मा की आवाज है। दरबार वतन में जब एक दिन सब जाने वाले जाएंगे, कुछ अपनी कज़ा को पहुंचेंगे, कज़ा मौत है, कुछ अपनी कज़ा को पहुंचेंगे, कुछ अपनी सजा को पाएंगे। ऐ खाक नशीनों उठ बैठो, अब वक्त कहां आन पहुंचा है, जब बादल के तख्त गिराए जाएंगे और ताज उछाले जाएंगे। ये ऑक्सफोर्ड से पढ़ के आए हैं बादल साहब, छोटे बादल साहब, सुखबीर पाजी। कमानी ना पहिया, गाड़ी जोते मेरा सुखबीर भैया। तालीम का जोर इतना, तहजीब का शोर इतना, बरकत क्यों नहीं होती? तुम्हारी नीयत में खराबी है। धंधा करते हो तुम, धंधा। स्टेट को मार के धंधा करते हो, धंधा। मैं बताऊंगा पंजाब को, मैं बताऊंगा कहां कहां बेचा है तुमने पंजाब को। पंजाब के दुख के ऊपर तुमने सुख विलास बना लिए। मैं बताऊंगा, मैं खोलूंगा तुम्हारी पोल, पोतड़े खोल दूंगा तुम्हारे।
And reacting to that vicious attack by Navjot Singh Sidhu, Prakash Singh Badal also lashed out at the former BJP member. Let's take a look.
जो दल बदलू हैं, इनका जो सौदे करते हैं कि मुझे क्या दोगे क्या दोगे, पब्लिक नहीं जानती इनको। इसलिए कोई बात नहीं है, प्रेस में आप लिख देते हैं ये हो गया सिद्धू आ गया, फिर क्या। जो अपनी माँ पार्टी को छोड़ के आया है, जिसने उसको इज्जत दी, जिसमें उसने पॉलिटिक्स में लाया, उंगली पकड़ कर आगे लाया, उसको छोड़ के आया, इससे बुरी बात क्या है।